What brought me to Anoka Tech was the tuition looked very affordable, and the program itself looked well drawn out. It looked like it was very attractive to someone my age, right out of high school. I always liked cars, and I figured might as well learn to do it, and it wouldn't be too expensive to learn it. I am a lubrication tech at McCarthy Auto World, but I'm also a minor mainline tech, so I assist with the other techs with their major work. Otherwise, if I'm doing my own thing, it's just usually lubrication stuff, so oil changes. I enjoyed working with teams. I thought it was really nice to be able to work with people to get different opinions on specific problems. I had one of my semesters entirely paid for by just a Pell Grant, which was a really simple application. I learned a lot in this program, so I think that those skills could be used in a lot more areas than just general work. So if you're considering going to Anoka Tech, look at your tuitions, your financial situation. If you truly enjoy doing the work, this is the program for you. It's got everything you need. The teachers are great. Then the work is, well, it's hard, but it's educating. And if you want to learn, you're gonna have to learn here.